Alright, in my oven I've got half a shoulder of Welsh lamb cooking away slowly. I've got steam all over my lens, but in that pot I've got about 1.5 litres of beef stock, and that's cooking away. On my chopping board I have a medium brown onion chopped up in slices, about the same amount of red and yellow peppers, a sprig of rosemary, and that is a cheddar and jalapeno bloomer bread. So what we're going to do is we're going to do something a bit like pulled lamb, and you've already seen the results on the thumbnail picture. Alright, I want to get all these vegetables and the rosemary into the stock, and then I'm going to turn that down just to a fairly fast simmer, and then once the lamb's ready we'll move on to the next phase. Alright, what I've done here is I've chopped up 4 cloves of garlic, because garlic and lamb go so well together, and that's going into my stock. And now we just let that simmer while we're getting the lamb ready. Alright, that's the lamb out of the oven. I decided to roast it in my cast iron grillet, and all I've got to do now is I'm going to take that and pull it with forks and add it into my stock. Okay, the lamb, I seasoned it using some Italian roasting seasoning, and I put it into my grillet, which is like a skillet that looks like a grill, and I covered it with a tin foil, and then I put it into an extremely hot oven, as hot as my oven gets, and then I turned it down to 160 Celsius for about 3 hours. So I've ended up with this lovely tender lamb shoulder, and the bone almost pulled out clean. I'm going to put that into my stock just for a bit. I'm going to finish shredding this up, and then I'm going to add that to the stock. Alright, we're ready to put the pulled lamb into the stock. Get it all in and get it stirred up, and then let that simmer just for a couple of minutes, and then we've got to prepare the bread. So with this monster sandwich, I'm taking half of that loaf and I'm going to cut it down, open it up that way as a sandwich. The next thing we want to do is put generous amounts of our filling into the sandwich, making sure we top that up with some lovely veggies as well. So there's the sandwich, fully topped up, and no, I'm not going to smother it in cheese because I'm not American. I'm not saying it's wrong, I'm just saying that I don't want cheese on this sandwich. There we go, some mint sauce or mint jelly on there, makes it pretty perfect. And put it on, squash it down, and serve it up. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to follow my channel, please subscribe, and be sure to click the bell icon to receive notification of all my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.